All right, we're standing here on the back side of the addition, the back side of the house, if you look right there. Right to my left will be the new garage. This is a hallway to the office. And this right here is going to be an outside deck.
It is, and it's going to be living space underneath the deck. And with that, we have to have a roof system to keep it dry.
Correct. So now if you look at these joists right here, because it's a roof, they now become rafters because of the angle. If you look right on the other side, you can see there's probably a 3 or a 4-inch difference in the height because of the pitch. Now these are 12-inch I-joists, they're 16 on centers. On this end, they're going to sit in hangers. This rim joist right here is on an angle. Because of that, the roof rafters have to be cut on an angle to follow that. So rather than put those on hangers, we've put a ledger down on top of the sill so they'll sit on that and hold them in place. Once this is all in, you'll have the pitch of the roof and the water will shed right off the edge.
That's right. And once all the I-joists are in, we're ready for our sheathing to go on for the subfloor.
Right, it'll be this board right here. After that's nailed in place, on top of that will be this separation board. This is a high-density product that will separate the top of the sheathing to the underside of the rubber roof, and it'll also withstand the weight of the deck on top of it. Then on top of that, we'll put contact cement on the underside of the rubber and on the top of this board, and then bring it right down on the edge just like that.
That's right, and once the rubber roof is done, we're going to cut some extra strips to put it on the new rubber roof. It will actually go to adhere to the bottom of our pressure-treated sleeper system.
Right. Now this angle right here represents the pitch of the roof right there. So if I took this and flipped it over like that, that's the pitch of the roof right there, and the top of the decking will be almost level. You want to still have a slight pitch, but it'll be almost level. And that will get glued on, like you said, like that, and that will hold everything in place.
That's right, and then all we'll have to do after that is just install our decking.
Right, and they'll all get fastened to this.
That's right.
It's going to be good.
It's going to be nice.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.